So,
Good evening, sir.
very good evening, my dear ones. As you know very well, what is today? Oh,
Saturday, speaking day.
Saturday speaking day. And sometimes I give you a topic that is called feedback, where you have to give your feedback that what you have learned here. Some of you have been here for 3 years, 4 years, 2 years, 1 year. Some are from 6 months, some are from 2 months, 3 months. But now you are able. But some of our new students who have just joined our classes a few days ago, they may not be able to speak, but they are free. I have invited them only to listen to you as I do always. Where we have new students, I invite them in this session so that they can be motivated and they can know that English speaking is not a difficult thing. It is possible and you are speaking. So today you have to tell your journey that you have made here. That when you came here, what was your position, and now what is your position? What you learned speaking, reading, writing, listening. How did you improve yourselves? And you will be given a limited time. Yes. And for junior students, for small students, for younger ones, they can have 3 minutes time. And for senior students, like the students of B20, they will be allowed to speak only for 2 minutes. And in this 2 minute, keeping the time in your mind, that in this 2 minutes time or in 3 minutes time, you have to tell about your improvement. You can take the points in your mind that when you came here, what was your condition, and now what is your condition. Okay, so I think you are ready for it. So please start. Oh my God. Oh, oh. Means आजकल तो ये हाल हो गया है कि before giving the topic, you are there in the message box. Huh? So, first of all, oh, Rohit and Harsh. And no one will leave the class without my permission. And permission will be granted in any emergency. Okay? And keep the time in your mind. You may start your stopwatch. Okay? So, first of all, I am calling Rohit. Come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Nikhil and today I'm going to tell you about my feedback. As you all know, that English is the most important language in the whole world. And when first of all, when I joined these classes before almost 4 years, I was very bad in this language. I don't know how to. I didn't know how. I didn't know how to correctly read and write this language. I used to iterate the things and then just wrote them in the examinations and got marks be happy. But now I don't like this type of study method. Now I focus more on concepts because I am a little much perfect this language, not fully but a little bit, and this is because of a continuation of practice, consistency, and hard work. And you can also be perfect in this language after practice for long years. And like sir teaches us. very good if you will follow sir with full determination, and if you are ready to do hard work, then you can be master in this language. And now I'm taking these classes for a long time, and I'm not in a mood to leave still, because the sir has a lot of material which he can give to us if we are ready to accept it. So practice is the key for learning any language or for doing anything. So make so do practice a lot,
20
by
seconds.
which you
20 seconds.
can achieve your goals. That's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash. Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh. Today my topic is my feedback. I have been taking these classes since 4 years, and for 4 years, but I am not in the mood to leave these classes now too, because these classes have provided me a lot of things which I was not able to get from schools. Since for last 10 years of my life, after joining these classes, I felt that I wasted my whole life in learning English by the method of schools that are iteration. But now I know that it is not the way by which we can learn English or any language, because iteration that just helps us in getting marks, because in iteration we only remember the thing for 1 day or maximum 2 days, and then we will forget everything about it. But if we learn the concepts and understand in deep, then we can learn all the things, and all these thoughts I have got from these classes. And before joining these classes, I was very weak in English, and I could not say 10 lines about myself, that who am I really is. And but now I I am feeling very good after taking these classes, and I suggest all the students who are feeling difficulty in English to join these classes. That's it.
Thank you. Shabash, beta. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Shabash. Very good. Now, Gaurav.
Hello, yes sir. Hello everyone, I am Gaurav and my today's topic is my feedback. And so, first of all, I will start with my starting condition. When I joined these classes, I was very shy of speaking English, and I was just I had a little bit knowledge of English because of Priya Didi,
Hmm.
and I got the base because of her, and the other base I got from the Rajaji sir, and also at first I was shy and also just a little bit at English, and I wanted to learn English because I studied from my childhood. I studied in English medium, but I couldn't speak English. So after seeing that my cousins and my sisters are taking these classes, so I decided to take these classes and see how the system works here. And I also, when I joined these classes, I thought that sir was very uh, furious
Hmm.
and also very, and he scolded very much. But I accepted my mistake and keep improving. And now you can see that what milestone I am.
Shabash.
And also I would prefer those who once who are dreaming to speak English and dreaming to get a successful life because of English. I would prefer them to join these classes. It's very effective, and now I am very proud of myself that I made this decision. At first, I thought that
15
it was just a
seconds.
waste of time.
15 seconds. फुर्ती करो. खत्म करो.
Yes, sir. At first, I thought that it was a waste of time, but after this, I'm thinking that this is a very good decision of me and my family. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Shabash, beta. Nice. Correct time. Yes, now, Kabir.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir Mahakal. Today, my topic
Mahakal.
is feedback. So I start with my beginning. Basically, I did not want to join these classes, but my sister suggested me to join these classes, and and that time my marks were also coming so nice. So I did not want to join this, but when I joined these classes, I I saw that I forgot many things. But when when I do many self practice, I I saw that I see that I am improving and I started speaking English.
Hmm. Shabash, shabash.
Uh,
Hmm.
English started speaking English, and I also do so many passages and
डूने डेड
self.
टेंस फॉर्म वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो. हाँ.
Yes, sir. I I also done many.
Did.
I also done many. I also did many passages and self writing. Sir also suggested us to improve and also motivate us to do right things.
Hmm.
Sir, I do. I I saw many teacher. I see many teachers, but I don't see teacher like you, sir. Thank you, sir, for teach me like this. सर आभारी को क्या कहेंगे?
Hmm?
आभारी.
Obliged.
I obliged.
Grateful. हाँ. I obliged नहीं. I am obliged. Yeah, I am grateful. बोलो 15 सेकंड रह गए बस. हाँ, खत्म करो.
Full and I am very thankful to my sisters who suggested me to join this class. Yesterday.
Very good. शाबाश. On right time. Very good. Keep it up. बहुत अच्छा करने लगे हो बेटा. Yes, come on, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is feedback, and I have been taking this class since 2024. And in the beginning, I was very weak in English subject, and all time I got very less mark in school time, and nowadays I can able to speak and
I am able बेटा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am able to speak and communicate to others, and I can make sentence, and I can speak I speak to other people in English, and I think that we can learn many type of language due due to focus, and we should keep focus and con,
Concentration.
and
बोलो बोलो.
and concentration,
हाँ,
and
दोबारा.
we should we should sir हार नहीं माननी चाहिए.
We should never give up.
Yes, sir. We should never give up, and sir always motivate me that you can do, and I can, and I did, and nowadays I have a lot of words to speak
20
to others,
seconds.
and my vocabulary is increasing day by day. That's it, sir.
शाबाश. वेरी गुड. अच्छे से खत्म किया करो और थोड़ा सा अच्छे से करना. लास्ट का एक सेंटेंस होना चाहिए खत्म होने का कि भाई पता चले कि हाँ यार बात हुई है ना. यस. ओके. नाउ अनुज.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today my topic is my feedback. I have been taking these classes for about 6 months, and in these 6 months, I have learned here so many things that I have never thought to learn anywhere. You know, I have always been the student of a government school for 12 years, and you know the condition of the government schools in English even. So my Hindi is good, but English was improved. I improved my English after coming here, and this is not the place where I directly come. I was seeing the results of my two younger brothers. Those are Rakshit and Harshit. So I saw them that they are the juniors of. They are juniors then of me, and they are doing if this
To me.
well.
Junior to me. हाँ. बोलो बोलो शाबाश. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. बोलो बहुत अच्छा बोलो.
So if they are doing this well, so how couldn't I do this? So after seeing them, I joined these classes, and a student that is Sushil. So Sushil is a Dhani type person, and a student.
डांडी टाइप पर्सन बहुत अच्छा बोलता है वो. हाँ बोलो, शाबाश, बोलो बोलो, बहुत अच्छा
Yes,
लगता है मुझे ऐसे. बोलो,
so
शाबाश.
I thought, so I joined with him 2 years before, I think. So I left because I was not. Something like. I didn't believe on Sushil that he can do this because he is a Dhani type student.
Okay.
How could he speak
15
English?
seconds more. Yes.
Yes, sir. And this is not the 2 minutes of praising sir and of praising him, and it's about his work that has made him to teach us this well. Yes, sir.
ओके, 5 सेकंड ज्यादा ले लिया तुमने, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन बहुत मस्त बोलते हो आप, समझ गए ना. किसी भी कोने में चले जाना बेटा दुनिया में, अमेरिका जाओगे तो एक्सेंट वगैरह में थोड़ा सा टाइम लग सकता है, बाकी कहीं प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी बेटा जिंदगी में, गारंटी है. और कभी रिमूव नहीं होगा ये सिस्टम. ये खोपड़ी में जो गया है ना, ये नेवर, दुनिया की कोई ताकत रिमूव नहीं कर सकती इसको. ठीक है ना. पूरी संभावना है बेटा. अगले जन्म में अगर इंसान बन के आ गए ना, थोड़ा बहुत तो ज्ञान देके ही आओगे अंग्रेजी का, ये भी पूरी तरीके से मान लेना. यस, नाउ Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi, and today again we have a speaking session. And sir gave us a topic, feedback. Now I'm telling about my feedback. I have been taking these classes for 1 year, and sir teach us in a very good method, and I do practice daily. And I write paragraphs, letter, email, etc. And I also communicate with my family members in English, and I also watch the sometimes Hollywood movies, K-drama, etc. And I love English so much, and because I wanted to become a professor in English, so I wanted to command on this subject. And before joining these classes, I was not able to communicate with others, and I feel very hesitate to communicate with others. Now, after joining these classes, I feel very confident to communicate with others, and because of the Rajesh sir, he teaches me, and he always says speak English as you wish, and
you are doing the same.
Yes, sir.
You are speaking the English as you wish. Yes.
If you want to command on this subject,
15 seconds, hurry up, conclude करो अच्छे से.
If you want to command on this subject, you should do practice and more practice, and there should be an environment of this subject.
Time is over. आपको उसी समय इसको conclude करना शुरू कर देना चाहिए था ना बेटा. जब मैंने कहा था कि इसको conclude करो, तभी उसी समय एक sentence लेना चाहिए था आपको. So my experience is वैसे like this, है ना. ऐसे एक concluding sentence ऐसे होता है. उस समय फिर कुछ नहीं, अब कंक्लूड कर दो उसको 1-2 सेंटेंस में. ओके, चलिए, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, कीप इट अप. नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग Anvi. Anvi, you may take 3 minutes time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Hello everyone. Today's my topic is my feedback. So that you know that my mother batch is B21. I joined it in April.
April.
Ending.
April.
April ending.
was टेंस का ध्यान रखना है बेटा। हाँ, आराम से, पूरा टाइम दिया है, पूरा टाइम है तुम्हारे पास, बिल्कुल मत घबराओ, बोलो आराम से। हाँ,
I did not know about tense
शाबाश।
fully,
हाँ, धीरे धीरे बोलो, ऐसे ध्यान से। हाँ,
but Rajesh ji sir taught us about tenses, passive voice, active voice, and many other things. At the first time when sir scolded me,
scolded me too much. Yeah, शाबाश बेटा, I'm proud of you बेटा, I'm proud of you बेटा, you are performing very well, keep up, come on, carry on. बोलो जो बोलना है बोलो आप। हाँ, बिना डरे बोलो।
Then, and I do not take classes for 1 or 2 days.
Did not take.
I did not take for 1 and 2 days, but at the third day, I don't know what happened, but I want to take classes.
I didn't know, past tense की बात बता रहे हो, past tense को यूज करो, मालूम है आपको, बस फोकस करो।
I didn't know what happened, but I want to take classes.
हाँ, sorry,
I don't know why.
हाँ, शाबाश।
And then I thought that I can do.
Yes.
And sir told me that I have to make simple past tense sentences, but I do not make simple past tense sentences.
Did not.
As a passive voice, active voice, but I don't know about it.
शाबाश।
That's why sir scolded me.
30 seconds, 20 seconds, खत्म करो।
And the last I want to say, if you don't thinking about leaving this class, do not please stay and thought that you can do it. That's it, sir.
Very good, nice conclusion. शाबाश बेटा, very good, keep it up. So now, अब भाई साहब आ जाइए। खुशी।
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा, 3 मिनट दिए तेरे को भी मैंने, बहुत घबरा दिए। हाँ,
Hello everyone. My name is Kushi Gujar. I am talking about feedback. As you know that Rajesh sir teaches very well, but before joining these classes, I was very weak in English subject. And
आराम से बोलना, घबराना नहीं, तो कम बोलना मिलेगा ना बेटा, इसलिए वो 3 मिनट का टाइम दे दिया, बिल्कुल मत घबरा।
I knew what is helping verb, main verb, but I didn't know how to make sentence.
Very good.
And what is word order, active passive,
शाबाश,
preposition, etc.
शाबाश बेटा। हाँ,
Most of the mistakes was in preposition. And my in school times, my all subject was better.
Were better.
Also today, but my English subject was not better. And I afraid English subject always.
From English subject.
From English subject.
घबरा मत, तू बोल आराम से। हाँ, बोल बेटा।
My sister told about Rajesh sir. Then I joined these classes. I have been taking this class since 2004. Since 2004.
2004? पागल हो गई?
2024 in September.
कोई बात नहीं, मेरे को पता था मिस्टेक होती है। बोल बेटा। हाँ, it was just a fun. Yes. Carry on बेटा। बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है, ऐसे बोल, घबराए मत, बोल। हाँ।
I have completed 1 year. In nowadays, I speak English very well, and I understand everything easily and clearly. And uh, and I speak and write and writing and
हम्म,
everything
अब 30 सेकेंड है बस,
better.
अब खत्म करने की तैयारी करो उसको बिना घबराए. हाँ,
And my English language is very better day by day.
केवल बेटर, वेरी नहीं लगाते बेटर के साथ.
Even
आगे बोलो
better.
बेटा. हाँ, हाँ.
And I'm proud of Rajesh sir.
10 सेकेंड्स
And
खत्म करो बेटा. हाँ,
I'm so grateful for teaching of Rajesh sir. That's it. Sir.
शाबाश, वैसे वेरी गुड. ऐसे बेटा, ऐसे खत्म करना सीखो बेटा बात को, है ना बेटा. हाँ, धीरे धीरे आ जाएगा, चिंता ना करो बिल्कुल. सारे के सारे लोग ध्यान रखो इस बात का. सिमरन बेटा, बेटा
Yes, sir.
3 मिनट दिए तेरे को भी, आराम से बोलना बेटा, है ना बेटा. आराम से बोलना, घबराना मत, अच्छे से, बस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोल बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hey everyone, I am Simran, and today I am telling about my feedback.
हम्म,
I taken this.
I have been taking.
I have been
थोड़ा सा
taking this
फोकस कर ले,
class.
बहुत बढ़िया बोलेगी बेटा, थोड़ा सा फोकस कर ले बस, बिल्कुल मत घबरा. हाँ,
I am very weak in
was-
English, and
I was past और present का ध्यान रख थोड़ा सा.
I was very weak in English after taken this classes.
Before taking this class,
Before taking these classes, but now I got it some knowledge. I got it lot of knowledge in B20 and B21, and I learn lot of knowledge and
lot of things. नॉलेज को गेन किया जाता है, नॉलेज को सीखा नहीं जाता. बोल 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 बोल, घबरा मत. हाँ,
lot of things,
हाँ.
and I did not
शाबाश.
what is B type verb and B. I know what is tenses, but I didn't use how can make sentence
शाबाश,
and
शाबाश. हाँ, ऐसे.
this and that. So, but when I took this class, I make easily sentence, and
But after joining this class, now I can make sentences easily. ऐसे बेटा, है ना बेटा. कोई बात नहीं, बस फोकस करके रख, तू घबराए मत, आगे बोल तू. हाँ.
and now I learn. I remember passive and active voice in B21, and as well, you know that any language, if you want
10
learn.
seconds. हाँ, अब 10 सेकेंड से बस खत्म कर, अब इसको 1-2 सेंटेंस बोल.
You won't learn English language, you don't fear, because any language or any skills you learn any stage of life, and the change is possible at any stage.
बस टाइम हो गया, मैं तेरे को 15 सेकंड ज्यादा दे दिए. ऐसे कोशिश किया कर. अभी आज तेरे अंदर गलतियां तो थी, लेकिन डर नहीं था. समझ गए ना? ऐसे डर नहीं रहना चाहिए. तो मैंने तेरे को टोका भी नहीं बीच बीच में. तू बोल आराम से, घबराए मत. तू बोल आराम से, गलत बोल, देखें कब तक बोलेगी तू, है ना. पर डर नहीं था आज तेरे अंदर, एजिटेशन नहीं था. तू बोल, और कभी रोक के टोको तो घबराया मत कर बिल्कुल भी, है ना. उसी पॉइंट पे आकर कहा सर क्या कह रहे हैं मेरे को. फोकस को, अपने जो थॉट्स होते हैं ना बेटा माइंड में, जहाँ से थॉट्स आते हैं उसको डिस्टर्ब नहीं होने देना है. थॉट्स आने दो, सेंटेंस बनने दो, ऐसे बेटा, है ना. बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है बेटा, शाबाश. ऐसी कोशिश करनी है बेटा. यस गर्वित.
Yes sir, my today's topic
3
is
मिनट दिए.
my
3 minutes. You have been given 3 minutes. Yes, come on.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My name is Garvit, and my today's topic is my feedback. You know that my mother batch is B21.
शाबाश, अच्छे से बोलना, कोशिश करना गलती नहीं हो, धीरे धीरे बोलना, तसल्ली से बोल बेटा।
Is B21. Before taking this class, I am very weak
I was past present का पास का ध्यान रखो, फोकस करो थोड़ा।
I was very weak in English. I don't know how.
I didn't know past present का फोकस करो।
I didn't know how I make sentence in English. There are lots of things. And Sonu Didi tell me about this English classes.
Told me, फोकस करो, पास्ट का थॉट है, पास्ट की वर्ब फॉर्म लो।
Told me I joined this class on 25 April in 2025.
शाबाश, हाँ।
First, sir tell me you could not drop this class, but I don't listen in that thing that sir tell to me, and I do lots of practice.
शाबाश शाबाश, बोल, तू बाद में बताऊंगा। एक ही गलती कर रहा है बार बार, बस टेंस की गलती कर रहा है और कोई गलती नहीं कर रहा। जो सेंटेंस तेरे को पास्ट फॉर्म में बोलना चाहिए और कोई गलती नहीं कर रहा। बोल, तुझे बोलना है अभी, कोई बात नहीं, तू बोल।
Yes, sir. The after of this class says when I do slowly and practice, and now I can speak any topic in English in orally topic.
शाबाश, बोल, अच्छे सेंटेंस बना, बोल, फोकस कर सेंटेंस बनाने पे। हाँ, इंटेलिजेंट लड़का है, बना लेगा, बोल।
And sir teaches us very well. At last I say that it class is very good for us.
बोल ले, टाइम है अभी तो।
Thank you, sir.
टाइम है अभी तो, तेरे को 3 मिनट दिए थे मैंने, कोई बात नहीं। थोड़ा सा टेंस पे एक ही गलती थी बेटा तेरी, बस तूने जो वर्ब फॉर्म यूज कर रहा था ना, वो प्रेजेंट टेंस की यूज कर रहा था, तेरे को पास्ट टेंस की यूज करनी चाहिए थी, क्योंकि तू पास्ट की बात कर रहा था। कोई बात नहीं है, पास्ट टेंस को ध्यान कर थोड़ा सा। अंजलि, 3 मिनट्स बेटा। 3 मिनट्स बेटा, आराम से बोल। 3 मिनट है बेटा, आराम से बोल, जैसे कल बोल रही थी, बिल्कुल ऐसे फोकस करके बोल। बोल बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is my feedback. So, when I started these classes, English was so bad, but I improved that, and sir scolded also me, but sir said do not give up. So I did many practices like self work, exercises, paragraphs. Sir says to make Hindi and make it English. Sir says to practice it again and again. Practice again.
बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है बेटा। हाँ।
I do not know what is past tense, present tense, future tense, and I do not know what is.
Did not know, सुगली, did not know। पास्ट का सेंटेंस चल रहा ना खोपड़ी में तेरे, फिर थोड़ा सा फोकस कर ले, वो भी आ जाएगा सही। बाकी बढ़िया बोल रही है, बोल। हाँ।
Did not know about what is future tense. So when I started, sir told me, and I understand it.
बोल
Understand it. First, Bhaiya says me to join these classes,
told me,
and to Bhaiya to join these classes, and when I joined it, so that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। अभी तो तेरे 2 मिनट भी नहीं हुए पूरे, बोल आराम से, और बोलना है, तेरे को 3 मिनट दे रखे हैं मैंने। चल, कोई बात नहीं है, शाबाश बेटा। ऐसे कोशिश किया कर बेटा, फोकस कर, बस कुछ नहीं करना, फोकस करना है, समझ गई ना? तेरे पास सब कुछ है तेरी खोपड़ी में, फोकस करेगी तो निकल के आएगा वो सब कुछ, कोई चिंता मत करे। ऐसा फोकस का खेल है बेटा, और कुछ भी नहीं है। यस, कम ऑन आदित्य भाई साहब, कहाँ गए आदित्य? हाँ, आजा भाई, कहाँ चला जाता है यार तू? कल बोल, और ध्यान से, कल की तरह ध्यान से, टेंस की गलती मत करना। बोल,
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya Donawat. Today's our topic is uh, our feedback. As you all know, when I join these classes, I feel very nervous
Felt,
because
felt. सेकंड हुआ आएगी ना, और थोड़ी आवाज को तेज कर इसको.
hello, hello.
हाँ, हेलो हेलो नहीं बोल.
Hi, sir. So when I joined these classes, I feel very nervous
I felt, बेटा felt आएगा बेटा. फेल्ट ही तो आएगा. नर्वस किया था मैंने, पास्ट टेंस को तो यूज करेगा कि नहीं करेगा?
yes, sir.
यार ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहा, बार बार गलती कर रहा. बोल आगे बोलो.
Yes, sir. I felt very nervous
हाँ,
because I was not know.
I did not know.
No, I don't. I was not know.
अरे बेटा, I did not know.
I did not know
कहाँ जा रहा है तेरा ध्यान?
what is sir teach us.
What does sir teach us? टेंस का ध्यान दे, वर्ब फॉर्म की गलती करता है तू, ध्यान दे इस पे.
Yes, sir. But now I know what is tense, but my problem is but I cannot make past tense sentences because because this thing is very weak in my mind.
So
But
make it strong. You are a strong boy. You are player. You are a sportsman. Sports boy. Make
Yes,
it
sir.
okay. Yes, carry on.
Yes, sir. And it is my job to improve all things, but in future I can I cannot I cannot say these things, and only this time I can improve this thing and save my life and my future. But what is the reason but I join these classes? When I am my when my age is about 8 years, I say my father I said my father
शाबाश, ऐसे ध्यान रखना ठीक होगा. हाँ.
my English was very weak and I
हाँ.
is a weak and he said that in 2024 you take these classes and only 1 year I learned so many things in advanced and medium level things,
हाँ.
and this is very nice thing for me. Yes, sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश. तुमने ज्यादा बोल दिया, मैं तो तुमको सुनता रह गया. कोई बात नहीं है. थोड़ा सा बेटा वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस किया कर तू, है ना. थोड़ा सा ध्यान देगा ना तो हो जाएगा. बोलते समय थोड़ा सा टाइम लिया कर, कोई बात नहीं है ना. आदत हो जाएगी बेटा ठीक फिर तेरी. यस, कम ऑन. विपिन ये कहीं गया हुआ खेलने.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ गया है? कैमरा चालू कर तेरा. बोल.
Hello everyone, I am Vipin Gorwal and I am
तेरे
telling.
को भी 3 मिनट है, बोल आराम से. हाँ.
Hello everyone, I am Vipin Gorwal and I am telling about my feedback. I have a lot of knowledge about English grammar. Before joining this class, I was very weak in English and I didn't make sentence, paragraph, and letter. I didn't know what helping verb and main verb, models, etc.
शाबाश. फोकस करो थोड़ा, वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस करो.
Okay, sir. I thought that English language is very difficult.
शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. टेंस बहुत अच्छा यूज कर रहा है, पास्ट टेंस. फोकस है तेरा बहुत अच्छा. शाबाश, बोल बेटा.
I tried to learn it many times, but I could not do it.
शाबाश.
most of the mistake and and reading speaking.
फोकस कर, बस फोकस कर थॉट पे और सेंटेंस बनाने पे बस। बोल बेटा, शाबाश।
Okay.
टाइम बहुत है तेरे पास, आराम से खूब बोल। हाँ।
After joining this class and after joining this class, I got a lot of things like tenses, models, and helping verb, main verb, and how to how to how to set pronoun correctly
शाबाश
in
शाबाश,
sentence.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया।
How to use preposition in the sentence. I my only
आराम से, शाबाश, कोई चिंता मत करे, बस हो जाएगा। बोल।
I that's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करता है बेटा, बहुत फोकस बहुत अच्छा है तेरे, इसको डेवलप करके रख बेटा, है ना। हाँ, बस फोकस करो थॉट्स पे और सेंटेंस पे, टेंसेस पे, बस हो जाएगा। हाँ यस, कल्पना।
Yes, sir.
कैमरा चालू कर तेरा।
Today my topic is my feedback.
कैमरा चालू कर बेटा। हाँ बेटा।
I was very weak in English.
शाबाश।
My father's friends sent that English classes. My son also studying there. Then I start taking English classes.
हाँ, स्टार्टेड टेंस का ध्यान बेटा, पास्ट टेंस का कर चुके हो ना तुम, पास्ट टेंस फोकस करो बेटा। हाँ, फोकस कर दो।
Sir teach very well and explain very Then I practice exercise and self writing.
खूब टाइम है बेटा तेरे पास, 3 मिनट का टाइम है, आराम से बोल। हाँ, तसल्ली से सोच सोच के बोल बेटा।
Then I learn and making many sentences.
शाबाश, ऐसे धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से बोल, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है, बहुत टाइम है, बोल।
I am very.
अभी 2 मिनट है तेरे पास, घबराए मत, बहुत टाइम है। हाँ।
I am very perfect speaking and writing in English. That's it, sir.
अरे अभी तो बहुत टाइम बचा हुआ है तेरे पास, जल्दबाजी क्यों करी? तेरे को मैंने बार बार कहा ना, पूरा टाइम लिया कर पूरा। अभी तो तेरे को 1-1.5 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ। चल कोई बात नहीं, अगली बार से कोशिश करना अच्छे से, है ना। ज्यादा बोला कर बेटा। हाँ, ज्यादा सोचा कर बेटा, सोचने की आदत डाल बेटा थोड़ी सी, है ना। अनवी कहाँ है? अनवी तो बोल रही है ना। अनवी तो बोल गई। अनवी दोबारा बोलेगी क्या? हर्षित मौर्य लास्ट नाउ। हर्षित।
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. My name is Arjit Moore, and today I'm going to share my feedback with these classes. Sir, is it the topic? Can you please clarify me?
Feedback. सुन नहीं रहे हो इतनी देर से? हाँ, बोलो।
Yes, sir. No, sir. I just had to clarify.
Feedback your in 2 minutes time. 2 minutes time. Yes.
Okay, sir. So my feedback with these classes is very good, as according to me, and from these classes I have got many things which I could not get from my school. And from these classes
slow down the speed. Slow down the speed. थोड़ी स्पीड कम करो।
Okay, sir. And from these classes, I have got many things. Like from the beginning, I have learned many things. Like when I joined these classes, I used to know nothing, and at that time, I used to just iterate the things. And at the time, I used to think that there is a verb that is ing, and that's all. And and after joining these classes, I came to know many types of things which are very useful to learn English. And and I know my first day when I used to take these classes, and in my first batch I used to take these classes as if it was a burden. But as long as I started taking these classes, I got enjoyment, and I started loving these classes. And I came to know that by these classes I will be able to speak English. And now, according to me, I am improving day by day, and I will improve surely day by the technique that you sir give us as a method of teaching. So, yeah, in my view, I have learned many things from these classes which I used to know nothing about. In my view, these classes are very good for me, and I would like to continue these classes for the betterment of my life, so that so that I would not require English in my future. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। 2 मिनट भी नहीं हुए, चलिए बहुत अच्छे टाइमिंग पे तुमने खत्म किया, मतलब ये 1-2 सेकंड बाकी रह गए, ऐसे ही करना चाहिए, ठीक है ना। टाइमिंग का ध्यान रखो, बिल्कुल आदत डालोगे तो बिल्कुल टाइम पे होने लग जाएगा सारा काम। यस रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग बेटा, खुश रहो बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I'm giving my feedback of these classes. So I started to take these classes from 7th of October 2021, and now I have been taking these classes for 4 years. And in this time, in this period of time, I have improved myself in English very much. From the beginning, when I started to take these classes, I knew nothing about English. I just knew to read English, not to write, speak, or translate it. But when I started to take these classes, then and before taking these classes, I thought that English was a very hard language. But when I started to take these classes, I got confidence that I can learn English, and then I continued the class to take the classes, and now I can say that English is a very easy language, and anyone can learn it if it is taught in a good and easy way. And then I took many batches of advanced grammar and basic grammar, and by revising the batches, I improved myself, and by self practice and the session of speaking at Saturday helped me in improving my English. So at last I want to say that thank you, sir, for teaching me English. So that's it.
शाबाश बेटा। 1 minute 45 seconds, ओके। यस नाउ ये योगेश और ये दिव्यांशु और इनमें बेटा बोलना चाहते हो क्या? 1-2 लाइन कुछ भी बोलना चाहते हो क्या? कैमरे चालू करो सब अपने अपने, तो कैमरे चालू करो बेटा अपने अपने, सब लोग टोटल, सब लोग कैमरे चालू करो अपने अपने। बेटा दिव्यांशु 1-2 सेंटेंस कुछ बोलना चाहते हो बेटा? दिव्यांशु, मोहित और योगेश, है बेटा?
नो सर।
नहीं बोलना चाहते अभी? कोई बात नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं बेटा, नेक्स्ट टाइम ट्राई करेंगे अपन, ठीक है? आपको भी इसी लेवल पे लेके आएंगे। चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच। और